The news in detail. The Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma launched a sports scholarship scheme and felicitated the medal winners and coaches of 2nd Northeast Olympic Games 2022 on Friday at Ususatham Auditorium. At the program, the Chief Minister informed that every medal winner will get a scholarship from the month of January from the government of Meghalaya. The Chief Minister expressed hope that Meghalaya will bag the top spot in the next Northeast Olympics. Meanwhile, the Commissioner and Secretary of Sports and Youth Affairs Department, Vijay Kumar, said that through the scholarship scheme, athletes get some money so that it keeps them and their family motivated.
That this Northeast Olympics has been a really great experience for all of us, and it really was something that a lot of people did not expect and did not think that Northeast and the state of Meghalaya could actually organize a game like this. And from day one, we have been very clear in our minds that we really are here to raise the bar for all of us.
The Minister